Beelinguapp language audiobook is an Android application designed to help users learn new languages through the medium of audiobooks. This app offers a unique approach to language learning by allowing users to read texts in their native language alongside translations in the target language, enhancing their understanding and vocabulary. Typically, Beelinguapp features a diverse library of audiobooks, including stories, novels, and educational content in various languages. Users can listen to the audio while following along with the text, which is displayed side by side in both languages. This dual language format aids in comprehension and helps users improve their listening and reading skills simultaneously. In addition to its audiobook offerings, Beelinguapp may provide features like playback controls, highlighting of text as it is read, and the ability to bookmark or save favorite stories. Overall, Beelinguapp language audiobook serves as a valuable tool for language learners looking to immerse themselves in a new language in an engaging and enjoyable way.